So I hope you got the answer for what will be the distance or the displacement as we talked about. So since we can use this for, the displacement from here to here is what we were trying to get. So the distance from here to here, just directly through this line, we came that using the Pythagoras theorem, we can use this expression just because a squared plus b squared is equal c squared, where I substituted 0.8 for a, so it became 0.8 squared. And for b, I put 1.2 squared. And then I moved the power 2 from the c onto this side by square rooting the whole section on the other side. Okay, so if you put it in your calculator, you will get 1.44 something meters is the total distance. Now, let's try to calculate the angles, as you can see here, angle theta. So the angle theta, if you remember, we can calculate it quite simply by using SOHCAHTOA. So lucky to us, if you remember, sine theta is equal opposite over the hypotenuse. Cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. The good thing is, if you notice, since we have this hypotenuse also, and we have this side, and we have this side, we have let's say for this angle theta here on this side, I mean these two are equal, but let's just focus on this one over here, how to calculate. So we see that the hypotenuse we have and the opposite to the angle we have is 0.8, and the adjacent we have here. So it doesn't matter which of these formulas you use, because we have all of the options. We don't need one of them only. We can use any of them. So I'm just going to use sine. So sine theta is equal, let's see, the opposite that we have is 0.8, and the hypotenuse we have is what we calculated, 1.44. So I will put 0.8 meters divided by 1.44 meters. Notice that an angle doesn't have a unit. Proof is just that you can cancel these two out. The m's cancel out, so we are left with 0.8 divided by 1.44, and then we just have to write it as theta is equal sine minus 1, because the inverse of sine is sine minus 1, 0.8 over 1.44. To use or to make the sine minus 1 in your calculator, just press shift plus sine, and you will get sine plus sine to the power minus 1. Or this is not actually sine to the power minus 1, even though it looks like it's sine to the power minus 1. Actually, what it means is inverse of sine. So if you will put this in your calculator, tell me what answer you get also.